I just stepped out of my comfort zone. I wanted to try something new. Honestly, I didn't think I was gonna like it. I don't like to try new things, but I'm glad that I did step out of my comfort zone. We learn how to seat the patient, take x-rays, communicate with the patient, let them know what's going to happen, and then we also learn how to work side by side with the dentist.
I'm getting x-rays taken.
Yay!
Yay!
Some of the skills that we learn is infection control, sterilization, and OHI, which is oral home in care. So we teach the patients how to properly brush their teeth at home. And here we're assisting the dentist with an exam. We get our radiology license and then we get our dental assistant license. There's actually not a lot of places around here that offer dental assisting. EHOVE is probably one of the main campuses that does offer dental assistant.
I love teaching dental assisting because it's been a passion of mine. I've been doing it for 25 years.
My instructor, as well as EHOVE, is working on finding us dental offices to go have clinicals in and then find a job later on. You should come to EHOVE because you can further your career. Your future, your career.